Assalamualaikum and greeting to everyone. My name is Nurul Afiqah Azmi. I would like to present our research title Divulging the Smart City Concept in Perspective of Community. Following are the contents of this presentation. From an introduction to the list of references, there are 11 elements around. The smart city concept revolved around the world in the early 2000s. The concept is to integrate the function of technology, data, and innovation into urban planning and management, which is to amplify the quality of life, improve efficiency, and to promote sustainable development. The solution offered by the smart city concept were data-driven technologies to solve community issues. The growth of technologies in smart city expand to the internet, sensor network, and mobile device. Barcelona, Singapore, and Seoul were the cities that adopt smart cities in the early 2000s. A few initiatives that is program focus on is like energy management, transportation system, waste management, and community engagement. The concept has been accepted worldwide and continues to grow with new technologies like artificial intelligence, data analytics, Internet of Things device to tackle urban challenges that become drastic in the near future. The smart city concept is still developing and needs more understanding to make a robust framework. The smart city concept has its own elements and performance that needs to be measured since Malaysian Smart City Framework was already established in 2019. Limited discuss on the Smart City Framework from perspective of the community. So we need to understand the demand side of the chain, especially from the community as one of the end user of the concept. The objective of this paper is to investigate the relationship between smart city elements and smart city performance from the perspective of the community in Petaling, Jaya. In this research, our objective is to analyze the relationship between smart city elements and smart city performance. During our previous study titled A Review of Smart City Elements and Smart City Performance, we already distinguished there are 8 elements, which are administration, social, infrastructure and utilities, transportation, technology, human, economy, and environment. However, the dependent variable for the smart city performance are quality of life, economic competitiveness, and resources management. From our past studies, we conclude that these variables are the most discussed, and we will test the significance between smart city elements and smart city performance. These studies can further analyze which construct from the smart city elements and smart city performance have a high significance or low significance among each other. The study has attempted to identify the structural relationship among the latent constructs that are proposed in the figure. As shown in the figure, the conceptual model framework. All latent constructs are represented by blue circles and respective measurement items are represented by the yellow rectangle. The model will then be properly developed in Smart PLS 4.0 software. As stipulated by the table, the study has 24 hypotheses to develop to answer the research question. This research focused on the Petaling Jaya city under the jurisdiction of the Majlis Bandaraya Petaling Jaya City Council. As acknowledged by the DALI 2022, Petaling Jaya is considered as one of the smart cities in Malaysia. So this research used the partial least square structural equation model PLSM by using the software Smart PLS 4.0. The research applied the G-power technique as a methodology for the purpose of data sampling. As highlighted by the fall 2007, the number effect size to 0.35 and the power is 0.9, and number of predictor is 24 have result in a total sample size of 100. Therefore, the data collected method used a questionnaire survey and the total of respondents was 128. Then we analyze the data collected from the survey to investigate the relationship between smart city elements and smart city performance. To develop a PLSM model, we have calculated our analysis into two parts, mainly measurement model evaluation and structural model evaluation. For measurement model evaluation, it comprises model reliability and model validity. After all the requirement of the measurement model evaluation has been satisfied, then only we calculate the structural model evaluation. This is the PLSM pass coefficient model between smart city elements and smart city performance that already passed all the measurement model evaluation and structural model evaluation. Based on the table, we can conclude that administration, social, and infrastructure can contribute to the Petaling Jaya community by enhancing quality of life, while the other 6 elements, social, infrastructure, transportation, technology, human, and economy, are able to enhance the economic competitiveness of the community. Finally, administration, social, infrastructure, human, and economy can enhance resources management from the perspective of the community of Petaling Jaya. For the key findings, the community agreed that using the model of smart city, the environmental elements do not affect any of the performance. On the other hand, technology, which is core to the concept of smart city, only has the significance of economic competitiveness and not for the resources management and quality of life. In conclusion, we achieved the objective of this research, which is to study the relationship between smart city elements and also smart city performance from the community perspective. We have laid out our model where some of the hypotheses are supported while the others are not. The recommendation for future research, based on this model, it is recommended that adding a few variables or several items must be considered to make a fully robust conceptual framework. And the next future research can explore critical thinking, such as how the critical factors like technology can enhance not only resource management but also quality of life for the community. Here is the list of the references used in this research. Thank you for your listening.